So guys, I was just playing around in Adopt Me, and I wanted to show you this how to make it so the pattern's egg or the any other eggs looks like it's looks like attachable. So you're gonna take out him, yeah. So you're gonna get your pet. You're gonna need like a chick or something. You name it pattern's egg. Then, if you have one of these like the pattern's egg, you're gonna pick your pet up. And boom! Look, pattern's egg, newborn. That it literally looks like it's an egg. It literally looks like it's hatchable. It's like it actually looks like it's hatchable, doesn't it? And someone just sent me a trade because I think they think it's real. I don't know why it's like glitching so much. I'm kind of lagging. I joined 41 player server. But seriously, this is it will 100% like work. It's such a good thing I just found out about. I do only have the Scoob and the pattern's egg, the chick, but it doesn't matter because this troll it's kind of a troll. It's so awesome. You just say like, "Hey, look, the pattern's egg is hatchable." Except you can see the chick from the bottom, so like it's not. It kind of makes it out of like it doesn't really makes it not that good, but it's okay because at least you still have at least it still looks real, kinda. Like comment down below if you think this is if you think this is literally like so good. Like I think this is really good. So, anyways, guys, that's just a thing I wanted to show you. Since .me is currently like the most popular game on Roblox. But, anyways, if you enjoyed the video and you enjoy this troll, make sure to comment down below if you're gonna try this. Remember the items you'll have to have is a chick or something because it's really small. Otherwise, it will pop out of the egg. So you're gonna need the chick because the chick is like the smallest pet, and you're also gonna need one of these eggs from the old Easter update. Anyways, that's it.